Hopefully now you all have a really good understanding of how to find the notes on the fretboard, where all of the guitar octaves are, what intervals are on the guitar, as well as the basics of bending, hammer-ons and pull-offs, and of course the basic shapes of your major and minor triads. Now moving forward, we're going to be going into the minor pentatonic shapes on the guitar, which is the first scale that most people learn when they're learning lead improvisation on the guitar, and we're going to use it as the skeleton scale that we use to springboard into all sorts of more advanced stuff. So get set, get ready, get tuned up, and let's make this happen. And we're going to go through the shape like this, just like we originally did. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use an eighth division. So we're going to play 2 notes per beat, and in 1 second I'm about to turn on a metronome so we can practice playing to that. So I'm going to set my metronome to 80 BPM. Now you guys can set it to much slower if you like and you want to build up your speed, and I highly recommend doing that if you do struggle a little bit with your technique at the moment, but you will build up this strength and speed eventually, so don't give up, keep going with it, and I'm sure you'll get there. So here's the metronome at 80. And we're going to go through an activity of just playing all of those shapes along the bottom string in 8th note pattern. So let's do it nice and slow. So again, it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now to start off with, like most things, we're going to learn what the formula is to create a major pentatonic scale from any given root note. So here it is here. Now as you can see, what we have is a root note, a second, a third, a fifth, a sixth, and the octave of our note starting on A. Now again, we are going to use A to keep it consistent and playing the exact same shape as if I was starting up here. 1, 4, 1, 3. Alright, so let me play that together for you now so you can hear all 3 shapes linked from this 3-note, 3-string pattern. Here we go. If you want to be really fancy, you can go combined with the string skipping, going down the sequence of playing back down the shape in 16th notes. Let's do that. Let's have a look at that one now. Okay. So here it is without the metronome. 3. Now of course I do have a supplementary video that you can check out that goes through with a play along of all of what we've done today. It has a metronome and a backing track for you to play along with, which can really help you in your actual practice. I hope you've learned something today, guys, and as always I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.